If you want to scale your OnlyFans agency and go from a tiny team of 2 with a janky Google Drive and a dream, to a well-oiled machine that handles 20, 30, or 50 creators without burning out, crying into your coffee, or screaming into a pillow at 3 a.m., then buckle up, Buttercup, because I'm about to walk you through the essential systems you need, and I'm not talking about magical fairy dust or random Chrome extensions your cousin found on Reddit. No. I mean the real, boring but powerful systems that let you sleep at night while the money machine runs on autopilot, or close to it. So let's start with system number 1. The content pipeline. Think of it like a conveyor belt for spicy photos and videos. Every creator you manage needs a clear way to submit content. That means you need a form or folder where they drop videos, photos, and notes. I use a simple upload form built with Google Forms or Jotform that links directly into a shared Google Drive. No content gets lost. No screenshots sent via text at midnight. No videos called img_4039_final_final_really final.mp4 that confuse your VA. I train all creators to label content by date, type, and whether it's feed, PPV, or teaser. System number 2 rhymes with few but isn't a zoo. It's the master content calendar, and if you don't have this, you're basically juggling blindfolded with chainsaws. I use Notion or Airtable to build out one big calendar where I can see all 10 or 20 creators at once. You don't want chaos. You want clarity. The calendar tracks the date, post type, media file link, caption, price if it's PPV, and schedule time. Every creator gets their own tab or view, but I can also see the whole agency pipeline at once. That means I can catch missing days, reuse top-performing posts, or launch themed campaigns like Thirsty Thursdays or Flashback Fridays. System number 3 is the caption bank, and if you've never built one of these, get ready to have your brain do a little happy dance. A caption bank is a database of pre-written captions, teaser lines, call to actions, and custom messages sorted by tone, theme, and category. Think seductive, playful, cute, funny, dominant, mysterious, or even pirate-themed if you're weird like me and want your creators to post stuff like ahoy, matey, click for treasure. Your VAs or writers can mix and match to save time while keeping each creator's vibe unique. System number 4 is your post-scheduling SOP. And I don't mean sipping on Pepsi. I mean standard operating procedure. If you're still manually reminding yourself to post for creators, please stop. Of has built-in scheduling, and you should be using it. For larger teams, train your VAs to upload and schedule posts every Friday for the upcoming week. That way Monday hits, and your entire week is already done. Use screen recordings to show them the process. Bonus tip: create a checklist so they never miss details like alt text or tagging the right fans and messages. System number 5 is the chatter system. And no, I don't mean your mom calling you every 5 minutes to remind you to eat vegetables. I mean fan message management. If you're not using train chatters, you're leaving money on the table so big you could serve Thanksgiving dinner on it. Build a chatter training guide with tone examples, do's and don'ts, pricing logic for upsells, and message trees. Use split testing to see which message strategies convert the most. Track response times and fan spend per chatter, so you know who's spicy and who's slacking. System number 6 is the analytics dashboard. Most people skip this, then wonder why their revenue is wobbling like a wet noodle. You want to track key numbers weekly: earnings, subscribers gained and lost, PPV open rates, renewal rates, tip amounts, and response times. Use Google Sheets, Notion, or hire a data VA who loves spreadsheets more than food. When you track weekly, you can adjust quickly. If PPV's tanked, maybe the price was too high or the teaser was too weak. If new subs dropped off, maybe the welcome message is broken or your Reddit follow dried up. System number 7 is creator communication. If your creators are DMing you on Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, email, Discord, carrier pigeon, and smoke signals, please unify it. Use Slack or a private Discord with one dedicated channel per model and a pinned weekly checklist. Every Monday, ping them for content. Every Wednesday, ask for feedback. Every Friday, deliver analytics. Creators love consistency. It makes you look pro, keeps them calm, and makes retention way easier. Bonus points if you send them motivational gifs or funny memes. Just no clowns. I hate clowns. System number 8 is team onboarding and training. Every VA or chatter you hire should go through the same onboarding like a Jedi in training. Create a welcome doc, walk them through your tech stack, train them on rules, give them access to dummy accounts to practice, and test them before letting them near real fans. If your VA thinks PPV means please pet the poodle very carefully, you're in trouble. System number 9 is the legal and financial system. Make sure every creator signs a contract. Make sure you're tracking payouts correctly. Use accounting tools like QuickBooks or Wave, and protect your income with clean record keeping. You don't want to scale fast and then get yeeted by taxes or lose access to funds because your Stripe account was linked to your cousin's email. Use NDAs for all team members. If you're scaling into 6 or 7 figures, talk to a lawyer and set up your business structure the right way. LLC, S-Corp, trust fund for your CAD, whatever floats your compliance boat. System number 10 is your creator pipeline. If you want to scale, you need new talent coming in while your current talent stays happy. Build a creator onboarding flow with a Google form, Calendly link, welcome doc, and internal scoring sheet. Rate potential talent by content quality, niche fit, branding potential, and communication style. Don't just sign everyone who breathes. Sign the ones who want to grow. And system number 11 is probably the most important but also the most ignored. It's the system for your mental health. Take days off. Use SOPs so the agency doesn't depend on you. Automate what you can. Delegate what you should. And remember, just because you're building an empire of spicy creators doesn't mean you have to work like a gremlin in a laptop dungeon. Go touch grass, drink water, breathe air that isn't recycled from your Wi-Fi router. Scaling an OnlyFans agency can be fun, fulfilling, and wildly profitable when you have these systems in place. From content collection to scheduling, captions to chats, analytics to accounting, team onboarding to creator support, every single part must be mapped out, written down, and built to run without you eventually. That's how you scale. That's how you grow. That's how you make sure your agency doesn't explode like a burrito in a microwave. If you're watching this and thinking, dang, I need help building all this, I got you. Join our school community where we go deep into systems, strategy, scale, and SaaS. Book a consulting call if you want help getting this done fast, with our templates and playbooks. And if this video made you laugh, learn, or spit out your coffee in confusion, do me a favor, hit that like button like it owes you money, subscribe harder than a superfan on a holiday discount, and binge watch all my videos like you're trying to unlock the secret ending of an anime. Share this with someone who thinks an agency is just posting and hoping. It's not. It's business, and we run it like one, or else the burrito explodes. Peace.